Welcome back my YouTube channel, Old Coin Z Collection. Today we're diving into an incredible story about a seemingly ordinary coin, the 5 euro cent from Germany, minted in 2004, which is rumored to be worth a mind-blowing $25 million. Yes, you heard that right. $25 million for a coin you might have in your collection. Stick around to find out if this is fact or fiction and how you could strike gold in the world of coin collecting. Country Germany period European Union. Euro. 2002. 2024 currency Euro coin type circulation coins denomination 5 euro cent currency rate 5 cents equals 0.05 USD year 2004 composition copper plated steel edge type smooth shape round alignment metal 0 degrees. Weight, G, 3.92 diameter. 21.25 thickness. 1.67. Before we unravel this coin's astonishing value, let's explore its origins. The 5 euro cent coin was introduced in 2002 when Germany adopted the euro. It features a beautiful oak twig on the reverse side, symbolizing German heritage, and a map of Europe on the obverse. Minted primarily in copper-covered steel, this coin might look ordinary, but holds incredible secrets. Quick question for my viewers. Have you checked your spare change lately? Maybe you're holding on to a fortune without even knowing it. Let me know in the comments.so. What makes the 2004 5 euro cent so special? Here's the twist. A small batch of these coins was rumored to have a minting error that turned them into collectibles of unimaginable value. These errors could be anything, a double strike, missing details, or even a wrong metal composition. According to reports, this particular error coin was never intended for circulation. Only a handful are believed to exist, making it one of the rarest coins in modern numismatics. Here's where the mystery deepens. While there are claims of a 5 euro cent being auctioned for $25 million, there's little concrete evidence to support this. However, similar error coins have fetched staggering amounts in auctions. For instance, an American penny with a minting error sold for over $2 million. This proves that such valuations aren't impossible. What do you think? Could this 5 euro cent really be worth $25 million? Drop your thoughts in the comments if you have a 2004 Germany 5 euro cent. Here's how you can check its rarity. Look for any unusual details near the DMark.an error coin. Might weigh slightly more or less than the standard 3.92 grams. Look for misprints, missing elements, or double strikes. If you find something odd, get it certified by a professional grading service like NGC or PCGS. This can dramatically increase its value. So, is the 2004 5 euro cent really worth $25 million today? Most experts agree that while the exact figure might be exaggerated, such a coin could still fetch tens of thousands, or even millions at auction, depending on its condition and rarity. That's why it's vital to get your coins appraised. This coin teaches us an important lesson. Never underestimate the value of your old coins. Whether it's a rare error or just a piece of history, every coin tells a story. And who knows? Maybe your next discovery could make you a millionaire. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an exciting story from Old Coin Z Collection. And remember, your old coins might just hold a treasure worth millions. See you in the next video.